West End School of English, 21 Old Street, London W2 1QB. Telephone 01402 7235. Telex 860-703 Went. We offer small classes, maximum 12 students class, friendly atmosphere, social club, special classes for Cambridge First Certificate, accommodation service, Central London location. The big boys sing their new song, "You Are Driving Me Crazy" at the University of Texas, Friday and Saturday, 8 p.m. Do you like rock music? Don't miss this concert. 808 University Avenue, 555-6000. Edwards College of English and Further Studies. Director Richard James B.A. Holmes, M.A., General English, Specialist English, Business, Import, Export, Hotel Operations, Computer Courses. For further information, write or telephone to Edwards College of English and Further Studies. Edwards House, Bristol, CT9 3TP, England. Tel 0843 943276. Telex 635569, Margie. If you are interested in practicing your French or German or Spanish or Italian, why not get a pen friend? We have contacts in many countries. Write to Foreign Friends Agency, 23 Ramford, Reedy, Bristol, B537HZ. Opera, Coliseum Street, Martins Lane, VC2 836 3161, CC240 5258. English National Opera revives Madame Butterfly in Graham Wick's subtle production, 8 p.m. 1850 pence. The Berkeley Quartet, now playing at the concert hall, 8:30 p.m. A great classical music group, Susan Trainer of the Evening Star. Admission $750. Mark the statements as true or false. 1. You want to study English in London? You phone 01402 7235 for information. 2. A ticket for Madame Butterfly is 8 pence. 3. The rock concert starts at 8 in the evening. 4. You can get information about the Edwards College of English from the school secretary, Mr. Richard James. 5. The Pen Friend Club is in Brington.